Hello, welcome to the Tabs and Icons Consulting video series. In this particular video, we're going to look at two things in Microsoft Excel: how to format cells that already have values, and then the use of the repeat function. My name is Dankaro Izuzu. Now let's look at the data we're going to use. Now we have this data, and we are told here that sales should actually be 58 bags, 88 bags. So now, rather than come here and begin to put the bags this way, come to the next one and manually type the bags until you get to the end. Now, you can imagine the amount of time it's going to take if we have well over 100 items. So what are we going to do? Highlight the whole of this one, go to the number formatting, which is the format cells category, move straight to custom. Under custom, select the first one, move here, take a space and type what you intend to have there. So I intend to have bags in that place. Now click OK. So the moment you select OK, your job is done. So you can see we have all of them having bags. Now the next thing we're going to do is we have ratings. We want to put some emoji here. So this rating is 3, so I'm going to have 3 images here. This rating is 2, I intend to have 2 images here. So we can have the emojis, call the emojis up by using the repeat function. I'm going to say repeat. Now the text I want there is an emoji, so I'll hold my Windows key and press full stop. Windows full stop will bring me to this. I can actually search in this area, but I want to use this skull and crossbones, so I'm going to use it as my emoji. And then I take that, I take a comma, and it's asking me how many times do I want this emoji to appear. I want to appear the number of ratings. I hit my OK. Now that's all I need to copy this down, and I'm done. So each time the rating changes, assuming this rating from 2 changes to 4, this will automatically go up. If this changes to 7, for example, it goes as much as 7. So this is how to insert an emoji, or you can use any kind of image that you so wish. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we're going to see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.